Are your customers still stuck talking to rigid, rule-based chatbots? It is time for a massive upgrade. Welcome to the Agentic App training program. Here, you won't just write basic scripts, you will engineer next-generation, AI-powered contact centers that completely redefine the user experience. Learn to build intelligent, autonomous agents that don't just chat, but actually work. Watch as your applications interpret natural language to execute complex data queries and instantly generate dynamic visual charts. Break down global barriers with seamless, context-aware multi-language interactions, allowing users to effortlessly switch between English, Arabic, and Spanish on the fly. But this curriculum goes far beyond the user interface. We take you deep into the back-end to architect and design enterprise-grade agents using AWS Bedrock and the Model Context Protocol. You'll learn to evaluate your system's health in real time, leveraging enterprise observability and CloudWatch metrics. Most importantly, we teach you to debug like a true cloud solution architect. Using the Agent Core Inspector, you will trace OpenTelemetry logs, track execution metrics, and visually verify every single MCP tool call across the network. No more black boxes. No more guessing. Just total architectural visibility. Finally, securely deploy your serverless applications to the world with AWS Amplify. Bridge the gap between academic theory and real-world labor market demands. Engineer the future today.